Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for a render FET and injective price prediction based on Elliott Wave analysis. We're gonna see what we have for those coins today. And with this bullish day, of course, as expected for render, our blue zone taken, the target has been hit and even overshooted the 1-to-1 fib level, perfectly taken. And we see an overshoot here for render. Very nice price action, I would say. Of course, this can be still, of course, a wave 4 in case we are in an ending diagonal here as a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Still very likely, of course, to unfold one more low, of course, in case this is a 1-to-1 fib level here, almost. But basically, if the things continue for higher here, that is very likely to be, of course, turning into something bullish. So far, we got a decisive breakout, but if we continue for higher, that means, yeah, can be very likely to be bullish here. Where to consider it exactly as bullish? It is exactly when we get a longer wave 4 than the wave 2 there, meaning as a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, wave 4 is not allowed to be longer than wave 2. Now, wave 2 is very, very long here. So, yeah, this diagonal can be already very, I would say, wide. So 1-to-1 fib level here, well, yeah, that's very, very long even. So wave 4 is allowed even to push for higher, guys. Yeah, onto 1-to-1 fib level, and still can have one more leg, and will still an eligible diagonal here, even if we get higher prices. So yeah, obviously it can be. Yeah, so 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. What an aggressive or volatile, I would say, diagonal here from a render. But basically, I would say that as per the count here, I'm still potentially counting one more wave, a 5 towards the upside. You have a lot of 1-2s over there. Wave 3 and then 4 and a 5. I mean, if this is only your wave 1, 2, 3, wave 4 and a 5, so definitely you're still looking at least for one more high. And in case that you have another 1, 2 here, it might be even as well another one more high here, A, B, and a C, or even a 1, 2. Yeah, so we have a 1, 2 as a leading diagonal, can be, of course, very likely as well. Breaking the 1-to-1 fib level is the signal of a bull run, of course, here unfolding for render 2.57. This is our trigger, or I would say confirmation for a bull run. Yeah, so confirmation for a bull run. So because of course we invalidate all the bearish scenarios, nothing to worry about something bearish anymore, starting from the $2.57. That means, of course, we are looking at the daily here for the target as a bull run. We are talking here about, I think, $15, if I remember right. Yes, $15 for a render. A, B, and a C that it might be unfolding here, 1, 2, and then 3, 4, and a 5. Very interesting for render, guys. It is one of the best performer. I already mentioned this in the previous videos. Before we get this move, it was already clear that the bullish here sentiment that we got for render was very, very higher even than Bitcoin. Yeah, Bitcoin was dumping while render was pushing for higher, and I mentioned this already on the Discord on that day. So let's see FET for FET as well on the 4-hour chart. Also, very likely we hit our blue box very nicely. So that is a very clear diagonal so far as a wave 4 until now, of course, unless the things continue for higher. So I would say the things are ready to push down in case we are still looking for one more low here. And that means, of course, no triangle. So let's remove the triangle over there. No more low. Actually, this has been played already just like that. Yeah, so this is what it has been played here. So wave B and wave 4, and we push downward right now. So I'm gonna just yeah, make it just one path toward the downside, the bearish one, or we simply continue toward the upside. Okay, and then of course after finishing this one more low, then we push also toward the upside, meaning the bull run is on the doors, guys. So we are very, very close to trigger the bull run, I would say, for the altcoins and for the crypto market. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, pushing really high here. Now, what's going to be the thing here as a bullish scenario? Well, I don't know, guys. Might be the end of the war, of the current war. It might be something. Definitely, is gonna be something going to unfold this bull run for the crypto market. Um, Despite whatever the fundamental reason it is, technically it is always clear for us. Confirmation or invalidation of bearish is around this area, meaning we're not looking anymore for this wave 4. I would say if you want here to make the same as for render, if you are in a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, so wave 4 is not allowed to be longer than wave 2, meaning if we take the length of the wave 2 here and we get the 1-to-1 fib level, so yeah, here we go. 21 cents or let's say 22 cents. This is our confirmation for a bull run here. A confirmation for a bull run. Why? Because it's not allowed that wave 4 to be longer than wave 2. Meaning elimination of any scenarios for bearish. Simply we push towards the upside. Very interesting. We're gonna watch as this target at 22 cents, and we'll see if this is gonna be played. The price under this 22 cent, staying in this region, one more low, then it is very potential, and then unfolding something towards upside. Yes, this is regarding FET. If we take a look at Injective as well, Injective also is a very, I would say, is not very bullish. So I would say the less performer in the crypto market. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, potentially 4 and a 5 to finish a wave 5 here in the orange, but you still have a 1, 2 there. Yeah, so you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for the orange, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 finished impulse, and you still have 1, 2, 4, and a 5. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, 4, and a 5. Yeah, so basically this wave 4 can be playing still for something here in this area, but I would say yeah, it's hard to get even 1-to-1 fib level. Injective is I would say performance is 0. I don't know why. So if we dive a little bit inside it, this is nothing for Injective in comparison with others. Therefore, it's a weakness. I believe the wave 4 is gonna be still very deep here. Um, can be already finished over there. So I would say, like, why extending here? Why not, for example, finishing 3, 4, and a 5, meaning your wave 5 here is finished with the gray, then wave 3 over there, then 4. This is your wave 4 here, and this is your wave 5 still unfolding somehow. Still unfolding, potentially can be a 1-2 here, still unfolding as an expanding flat, yeah, and then pushing for something as diagonal, finishing one more low. But the weakness of Injective already suggests something towards the downside still open, yeah, and I'm very suspicious here about something as an ending diagonal, yeah. So yeah, we'll see how this is going to finish up, but I'm not really happy with Injective performance. Sorry, the count here, it should be just like that. Wave 5 finished here, and wave 5 there. So this is your wave 4, and we're looking for wave 5 to be done there. Wave C in this target area anyway. But what is going on with Injective? I'm not sure, guys. It's not performing really nicely here. So I'm still seeing, of course, this is unfinished as well structure. It can be something like this, and then triggering a bull run once we take the low again as this wick. Yeah, trigger for bull market. Plus, we need the time. We need the time. Don't forget the time. Here we go, 0.618. We're very, very close. I would say so. Yeah, it might range here for Injective. Try to trick us a little bit here, like getting very boring price action. Then boom, one day you will see everything exploding. This is my expectation for render. I'm gonna trace this actually because I somehow, it's not yet clear, guys, but I somehow trust my sentiments here, just like that. Ending diagonal, yeah, and then pushing for very massive, yeah, bull run. Yep, so this is regarding injective render and FET. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments. See you in the next one. Bye bye. Before you leave, make sure to join our private Discord community. There you will get daily updates faster than YouTube, plus exclusive bonus trading signals for the gold, silver, Bitcoin, and stocks. You can also request one special technical analysis every day and get access even to our only members video on YouTube and also on Discord. And stay ahead, of course, with economic and political news that actually moves the market. And of course, we do regular Q&A sessions, so you can get your questions answered directly in the Discord. And of course, if you're serious about leveling your trading, the Discord link is below in the description and in the comments. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.